Did you know that InVideo can transform your ideas into stunning videos? Stick around as I walk you through InVideo AI and InVideo Studio. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create professional videos from scratch, perfect for your YouTube channel and other platforms. First, we'll explore the basics of InVideo Studio to show you how to create professional videos and enhance your editing process. Then we'll dive into InVideo AI for crafting and automating videos with ease. Be sure not to skip any part, as I'll be sharing 3 essential tips you definitely don't want to miss. The last one is the most important. Now let's get started. We'll begin by using InVideo Studio. Simply log in or sign up by visiting freeinvideo.com or follow the link in the description below, which will directly lead you to the AI tool. Once logged in, you'll notice that there are 4 options for you to choose from to start creating a video. We have templates, where you can choose from over 5,000 customizable video templates. AI text to video, for making videos from long-form text. Stock media with over 1 million premium videos and photos. And the editor for pro video creation. All of these options can be accessed through the AI text to video feature. As you can see, we are now directed to a page where we need to select from these customizable templates for our video. This leads us to tip number 1, utilize the templates. It's entirely up to you how you want your videos to start, whether it's for social media, marketing, advertisement, YouTube, or any other platform. The great thing about this tool is that you don't need to spend a lot of time creating graphics, animations, or text overlays to be creative, since these templates are designed to save you time. To make things easier, let's select a simple template for now. Next, we have the option to choose the format we want to use. For now, we'll use a YouTube video format and hit Use Template. As you can see, we have the opportunity to either ask the AI to generate our script by typing a prompt or manually type, or paste our own script into the box. Let's test the tool's capability by asking it to generate a script. For example, let's request a 1-minute YouTube video about 5 hilarious facts about the human body. Just hit Generate and wait for the script to be created. Now, you might need to edit your script to ensure it appears cleaner in your final video, which leads us to tip number 2, refine your script. This involves removing any unnecessary text and adding spaces between sentences to avoid prolonging each scene. Just look at this previous video I created without editing the script. It's not good enough and appears to have a lot of text in the video. It's essential to make a few edits if you want your videos to look cleaner, right? Moving on, I've just finished editing the script and added the video title to the first paragraph to serve as the beginning scene. After that, click Create Scenes, and within a few seconds, the scenes are generated. However, sometimes the tool suggests irrelevant scenes, and you may need to change them manually. Simply navigate to the video or image option and search for specific footage that corresponds to the scene. Alternatively, you can use the upload option if you have your own media to be shown in the video. Apply these procedures to other scenes that require editing as well. Now here's the fun part. You can add background music and voiceover to make your video more engaging. Navigate to the music option, select a mood for your video, and sample some tracks. If you find the perfect background music, click on the plus icon to add it to your video. For the voiceover, hover over the editor section at the top and click on voiceover. You'll see options like automated text to speech, upload, or record your own. For now, we'll choose the automated text to speech and sample some of the voices. Select one that suits your video and click on Generate Voiceover. After that, check the box and hit the Add button to add the voiceover to the rest of the video. As you'll notice, checking that box automatically adjusts the duration of your scenes according to the voiceover applied in each scene, making the process easier and more organized. Now, if you'd like, you can add transitions to your video by clicking the transition icon and selecting one that best suits the scenes. If you wish to further customize your video, feel free to use and explore the tools in the sidebar. Be sure to preview your video before exporting to avoid repeating the process.
5 hilarious facts about the human body. Did you know that your stomach produces a new layer of mucus every 2 weeks to prevent it from digesting itself?
That's quite an impressive video, right? It's ready to be published on various platforms as it is. Now, if you think that InVideo Studio is complicated and may be taking you a while to make a video, let's try out a simpler way to create your video with InVideo AI. But before we dive into that, if you've come this far and enjoyed this video, we appreciate your effort to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials. Now, InVideo AI is a different story. If you want to make videos super fast and produce as many videos as you want, then InVideo AI is for you. This tool focuses on the quantity of videos you make by simply typing a specific prompt, which will turn into videos in seconds. Don't get confused, this is still InVideo. Just head back to the main website, but this time, ensure to log in using InVideo AI. Once logged in, you'll be directed to a page where you'll see a prompt box. Its interface is simple, but you'll be amazed when your videos come to life later on. Let's input the prompt we used in InVideo Studio earlier, but this time, let's make it more detailed, since a more detailed prompt is more likely to generate good results. Now, here's an additional tip. Keep in mind that prompting includes some important elements such as video duration, type or platform, a detailed topic, tone and style, or other considerations that you want to add to your video. Now, after doing that, click on Generate and input a few more details, such as the target audience, the look and feel you want for your video, and the platform, such as YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok. Then hit Continue and wait as it quickly produces your video within minutes. When you preview the video, you might need to tweak some minor adjustments, which is common for AI tools. The easiest way to make these edits is by utilizing the prompt box below. As you can see, there are suggested options when you click on the box, whether you'd like to adjust the video's voiceover, edit your script or scenes, change the footage, captions, or anything else you need to polish your video. If you want to be more specific in your edits, there's always the Edit option for you. Click on that option and you'll notice that you can tweak your scene's media, script, or music. For the media, select a scene where you want to change it to something more specific or upload your own if you have one. The same goes for editing your script. Just click on a specific scene and make the edits, or hover over these options beside this plus icon, where you'll have options like adding text elements. The Media Group button helps find specific footage by inputting keywords, as shown in these examples. The Speaker Change button lets you choose the type and speed of the voice you want for your video. I'm going to fast forward a bit to make these edits, and I'll show you how the video turned out. Alright, now check out this video made with InVideo AI.
5 hilarious facts about the human body. First up, did you know your nose can detect up to 1 trillion smells? That's right, even if most of them are just your uncle's questionable cologne.
That's an awesome video, right? Now you can download the video ready to be published on any platform. With that in mind, here's the most important tip you definitely don't want to miss. Familiarize yourself with the tool. It's very common to get confused when using a new AI tool, especially using InVideo, which has 2 tools, InVideo Studio and InVideo AI. So take your time, don't rush, and familiarize yourself with this tool to see incredible results in the end. Moreover, if you want to learn more about InVideo, make sure to watch the next suggested video.